Hello everyone. Today I'm dropping an 11-minute compilation of all of my story time. This video has all the videos I've ever posted on 3 of all of my accounts, and I hope you enjoy. HDC ANVIL out.
Yo bro, play the code I sent you.
Okay, and this better be good.
Yo,
this is fun.
Shut your bitch ass up, Troy.
Oh my day.
I'm so bored now.
Okay class, today we will be learning how to get rainbow crystals. To get rainbow crystals, you have to work really hard. Rainbow crystals get you a lot of things, so enjoy it if you have any to spare. Oh hi, Shadow.
Don't fucking hi me. Tell me why the fuck this boo-boo-foo is in my seat.
Shadow Vampire is just a new student.
Don't interrupt me.
Bro, it's just a seat.
Shut up, bitch. Now get the fuck out of my seat.
No, just sit in a new
Shadow,
seat.
just sit behind
No, I
Sugarcoat.
swear to God, if you don't get out of my seat, I'ma kick your ass.
Little boy, fine, take your stupid ass seat. Annoying ass kid acting like it's only for him.
Making her go to the principal.
And he
Can I have a kiss?
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Hang up that computer call. Come over here and kiss me on my hot mouth. I'm feeling romantical.
The end of the school year, though I really don't have to be here if I don't got
The fuck is you looking at, little boy?
Bitch, first of all, no one was even looking at you.
Girl, just ignore him, ATP.
No, because he really Buddha make me angry.
What's up?
1 minute later.
Of course, y'all
Exactly
need back
like
up.
that.
Shut your
up,
bitch
or
ass
I'll
up.
Go,
drop your
girls.
ass without back up. Buddy,
Meet Bunny
sit
around.
down.
Stop
Shut
it.
up.
What's
Don't
about you out?
Don't give up.
What's going on here, Sosa?
You're scared cause we gon' knock you out.
Don't give a Keisha.
Now look here, Tom.
Stupid kid.
Pilot, what are you doing?
Oh my god, stop.
That's the game. Little
Should we watch
You
that?
better stop talking to me.
Bitch, I will hoop your ass.
Little
Fuck you
nigga,
talking
shut
about.
up.
Hey,
Hey,
you know
what
this.
is going on?
What foul
Y'all better
language?
tell these stupid bitches to stop messing with my fucking hang-on for K-Trey.
I don't give a fuck about your ugly ass brother.
They ain't expect to see little laser. This a pop-up.
Okay, girls, there they go.
Girl, I can't wait to whoop his ass. He mad annoying.
That's what I'm saying, like. Okay, girls, but before we do that, we gotta sneak up on his ass and his ugly little friends. Let's go.
Bro, what the fuck is your
You
problem?
bet you didn't think this was coming, you ugly ass cat.
You gotta be
Bitch, who you thought you was
They
on
might think I'm studying now. Let's do it then.
Boy, look at you. Boy, looking like
Okay, class. So today. Narpy?
You're Wassop Maine.
Narpy, welcome back. It's been 3 months since you left school.
Yo, what's up, Narpy?
Wassop Maine.
Yeah. Why is there a green cat in the class?
Maine, I just got back. If I gotta beat your ass, I promise I will. But a teacher, may I go to the restroom?
Yeah, just no violence.
Okay, Maine.
Teacher, you're ugly.
Principal.
Okay, so where is this bathroom? There it is. Bro, move.
Nah, bro.
Yeah, just go away.
Move.
No.
Hey, leave this bathroom, punk.
Who is you talking to?
I'm talking to you now. You better leave before.
Don't freak out.
Private Listerine, you hear that noise?
Yeah, I heard a little bit of noise coming from that way.
Should we check it out?
Yeah, that's what we're supposed to do.
Alright then, let's...
Lean back. Lean back.
Hey class, so today we're gonna be learning about our atmosphere. Yes, Narpy?
Can I go to the bathroom, Maine?
Yeah, sure, but hurry up.
How you going to tell me to hurry up? Fuck wrong with you?
Narpy, I don't got time for this, just go. Any questions?
Hey, say Maine, who took my pen?
Narpy, sit down.
No, bro, cause who the fuck took it?
Damn, bro. Who got his pencil?
Narpy, it's okay, just take this pen.
Get that shit out my face. Now whoever got my fucking pen, hand it over now.
Get out, my class, young man.
Shut the fuck up.
Bacon hair Jesus Christ. Here, take this pencil, it's sharpen also.
Get that stupid ass Dixon pencil out my face, and it's not even sharpen.
Why did you just hit my boyfriend like that?
We.
You're too slow!
Now who's gonna confess? Tony, do you know who took it?
Say, mate, it was Jake on for K-Trey.
Jake, you motherfucker.
Mr. Reno, do you hear that noise?
Yeah, it sounds like it's coming from that room.
Alright then.
Smacked your ass to the back rooms, lol.
Bro, how I get here?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Just know I'm about to call gold on you.
Who's gold?
What the fuck? What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that?
Gold, what are you doing here?
Hey, say, mate, don't worry about it. Now, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to run. I'm going this server. I promise you these base plates are so annoying with these dumb exploiters. All they do is fling people and others. Just use these so-called impressive oh yeah, those FE scripts. Why do these idiots even call them that? It's literally supposed to be seeable or something like that. I'm a go and just
Hi Bacon.
Oh hi, how you doing?
Oh, I'm okay, I was just checking on ya. Bye.
Okay, I don't feel like playing this, so I'ma go to school.
Ugh, it's a ugly bacon.
Oh yeah, I'm so ugly I'ma leave, ma'am.
Good riddance.